I just flagged something really interesting about XRP, and honestly, it's got me paying attention. Let's break it down. Here's where we are right now. XRP is sitting pretty at $1.3847, up a solid 10.36% in the last 24 hours. You know what I've noticed? We touched a high of $1.43, but pulled back a bit, which, well, that's actually telling us something important. The trading volume hit over 400 million XRP, so people are definitely paying attention. And here's the thing. XRP ETFs are seeing $196 million in net inflows, which means the big money is still flowing in. Now this is where it gets interesting. The RSI is at 77.20, which is, well, that's pretty overbought territory. Here's what that means in plain English. When you see numbers like this, the market usually needs to take a breather. The MACD is still positive though, so the momentum is there. We're trading above all the moving averages, about 8.5% above that important 200-day line at $1.2755. That's actually a really good sign for the long term. So what moved the market today? Well, it's interesting because XRP is moving opposite to traditional markets right now. We're seeing a negative correlation with the S&P 500 and NASDAQ, which basically means when stocks go down, crypto goes up. The VIX is sitting at a calm 15.83, so there's not much fear in traditional markets, but crypto is doing its own thing. On the regulatory front, it's actually pretty quiet, and that's good news. The fact that XRP ETFs are trading smoothly with all that volume tells me there aren't any major legal headaches brewing. Sometimes no news is the best news when it comes to regulations. The mood right now is, well, let's just say people are getting greedy. The Fear and Greed Index hit 72, which puts us firmly in greed territory. That 10% jump we saw today? Yeah, that's got FOMO written all over it. Now greed can push prices higher, but here's the thing, it can also set us up for a fall. The big players are doing something interesting. We saw 703 whale transactions moving 18.7 trillion XRP. Wait, that's a lot. These aren't small retail trades, these are the big institutional moves. So the rally isn't just retail FOMO, there's serious money behind it. In plain English, the technical patterns are saying we're in a markup phase according to Wyckoff analysis. Basically, we've finished correcting and we're starting a new upcycle. But Elliott Wave is suggesting we might be in a corrective phase. So the signals are, well, they're mixed right now. So what does the AI think? Here's where it gets really interesting. The short-term prediction is actually pretty bearish. It's saying $1.1133 with a 71.4% probability of decline in the next day. Huh? That's quite a drop from here. The 7-day forecast is sitting around $1.2752, so still lower than today. But wait, the 30-day prediction? $1.4166 with upside probability. So we might see a dip before we climb higher. But here's what could go wrong. That RSI at 77 is screaming overbought, and when the AI gives a 71% probability of decline, that's pretty high confidence for a correction. Also, with everyone feeling greedy right now, any bad news could trigger some serious selling. Okay, here's my take on this. I'm leaning toward a hold with partial profit-taking strategy. If you're holding XRP right now, consider taking some profits in this $1.35 to $1.38 range. For new entries, I'd wait for that dip. The AI is predicting look for $1.15 to $1.25 as your buying zone. Set your stop loss at $1.05 to protect yourself. My target, $1.45 to $1.50 in the next 3 to 4 weeks once we work through this correction. That's it for today. The AI is rarely this confident about a short-term drop, so I'm definitely keeping my eyes on this one. If this analysis helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe for more market insights. See you next time.